Imagine looking up at the moon and knowing a human-built city is glowing there powered by robotics, 3D, printed walls, and China's most ambitious space plan ever. This is no sci-fi prediction. China has officially begun the roadmap to create a permanent lunar base in the 2030s. China's moon-based vision isn't vague, it's a step-by-step engineering plan built around three major phases. The first phase focuses on reconnaissance, and it's already in motion. Chang'e-6 brought back samples from the far side, giving scientists unprecedented insights into soil chemistry and potential resources. Next comes Chang'e-7, set to explore the lunar South Pole for water ice hidden inside permanent shadow regions. Finding these icy pockets is critical because they can become oxygen, drinking water, and even rocket fuel. Then comes Chang'e-8, a mission designed to test construction technologies, including autonomous robots working together on the moon's surface. What makes this blueprint compelling is its progression from exploration to construction. China plans to assemble the first modules of the International Lunar Research Station, ILRS, between 2030 and 2035, combining landers, power units, relay satellites, and scientific laboratories. Each piece is designed to be modular, built on Earth, then expanded using lunar materials. The goal isn't simply to visit the moon, but to operate there continuously. And once a stable platform is established, China expects crews to arrive afterward, marking the shift from robotic operations to long-term human presence. But a plan is just the beginning. Now, let's see what makes it feasible. Building a habitat on the moon requires solving problems no Earth engineer ever faces: extreme temperature swings, razor-sharp dust, constant radiation, and 2-week-long nights. China's answer is a mix of advanced robotics, autonomous construction, and in-situ resource utilization, turning the moon itself into a building supply store. The star of this phase is 3D printing technology using lunar regolith. Early lab tests in China have already created bricks heated by lasers, proving that moon soil can become load-bearing structures. These bricks could form radiation-shielded domes, landing pads, and tunnels without hauling heavy materials from Earth. Energy is another challenge. China's proposed solution includes nuclear microreactors for stable power during the lunar night, combined with high-efficiency solar arrays for daytime operations. Meanwhile, robotic swarms, rovers, manipulators, and autonomous scouts will assemble modules, maintain equipment, and perform repairs without human intervention. Even life support experiments are underway, including systems that extract oxygen from regolith and split water ice into breathable air. Every technology reduces the need for supply missions, allowing the base to grow organically. With the tools defined, one question remains: why is China investing so heavily in this lunar future? The answer goes far beyond science. China's push to build a lunar base is not only scientific, it is strategic, economic, and geopolitical. The moon's south pole is believed to hold vast reserves of water ice and rare elements, including helium-3, a potential future fuel for advanced fusion reactors. Establishing an early presence gives China an enormous advantage in resource mapping and utilization. Beyond materials, a permanent lunar base enables long-duration astronomy, deep space communication hubs, and technology testing for Mars missions. It's a launch pad for exploring the rest of the solar system. But there's another layer: global positioning in the new space race. While NASA is advancing the Artemis program, China is building the ILRS with partners including Russia, Pakistan, and several developing nations. Whoever controls the infrastructure, power networks, landing pads, supply depots, controls access. This turns the moon into the next economic frontier, shaping industries we haven't even invented yet. And unlike the Cold War era, today's competition involves robotics, AI, and commercial collaboration, making progress faster and more unpredictable. But even with all this competition, the outcome may benefit all humanity, pushing innovation and accelerating our path to becoming a multi-planet species. China's plan to build a lunar city is no longer distant speculation, it's a structured project backed by upcoming missions, real technologies, and long-term strategic goals. From reconnaissance to robotic construction to eventual human habitation, each phase brings us closer to living beyond Earth for the first time in history. Whether driven by science, resources, or global leadership, This effort reshapes the moon from a symbol in the sky into humanity's next home. If you're excited about where this journey leads, stay tuned, because the next decade may redefine our place in the universe and you won't want to miss it.